Hey, this is Korean Che, and today I'm taking you to Santiago, the capital of Chile.
It's the presidential office, so it's like White House.
I arrived here early in the morning after taking an 8-hour night bus from Mendoza, Argentina. The border crossing was quite easy. We had to take out all the luggages and go through the x-ray. The first thing I did after arriving in Santiago was to exchange my money and then explore the city. My plan for the day was to join a free walking tour in the afternoon, so I had some time to explore on my own in the morning. So I started by visiting Santa Lucia Hill, which is a cute hill located in the middle of Santiago downtown. It was a really cute park with a lot of nature. The view from the top was amazing. After that, I visited the Museo de Bellas Artes, which is a beautiful building with the glass dome on the ceiling. Next, I stopped by at Mercado Central, which is a popular market in Santiago.
So cute. Salmon? I know salmon was got
Then it was the time for the free walking tour. We visited a lot of important churches in the city, including San Agustin Church and San Francisco Church. We also stopped by at London Street and Paris Street, where they made streets based on European cities because they admire them so much. We also saw some interesting public artworks at subway stations, and then visited New York Street, which is the center of finance in the city. In between a little break from the walking tour, I grabbed this Chilean peach drink called Mote con Huesillo. It's a really popular summer drink, especially in Santiago de Chile. It's a drink made of dried peaches, sugar, water, and cinnamon eaten with white berries called mote. It tastes like really sweet Lipton iced tea with boba. We also went to the Palacio de la Moneda, which is the Chilean president's office right now. Every time I see the Chilean flags, it reminds me of Texas, where I lived for a long time, and the flags look alike. There was an architecture exhibition in the plaza of the palace, so I took a look.
This is Texas Justice Court. Just kidding. Justice Court in Chile. Museo.
We also visited the Santiago Cathedral, which is beautiful. Although I didn't get to visit it, I heard that the Museum of Memory and Human Rights is really important in the city, so I recommend checking it out.
Guy in Santiago. See this, guys? Twice a day. It says you're traveling the whole day.
After the tour, I stopped by at this French fries place where I was recommended.
This fries is crazy. It's from Papa Jacobs. I added salsa and bacon and regular. I paid 5,800 pesos, which is like, I don't know, $7.
It was nice. It's a lot of French fries with cheese on the top. Next, I took a funicular to Cerro San Cristobal, which is a hill with an observatory deck and an amazing view of downtown Santiago. There was a little church on the top of the hill, which reminded me of Bogota, which also has a hill called Monserrate in the city center, and the city is surrounded by mountains.
Yeah, Korea. This is my friend Ben from Sydney. That's right. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Finally, it was time to head to the airport to catch my flight to New York. That was the end of my day in Santiago de Chile, and I thought it was a really cute city with a lot of interesting places to visit. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel.